Hi guys. In this video I will show you the internal specs of the Galaxy S9 Plus. I was able to hold the phone and install the AIDA64 app to show all the internal information. You can see in the video all the information. Some of the highlights are: it only shows 5000 megas of RAM. It should be 6000, but maybe the missing RAM is shared with the GPU. Storage only shows 48 gigas. Hopefully the final version will show something closer to the 64 gigas that the official specs say it should have. It has a Sony sensor for the camera. By the way, the camera has been just rated the best camera in a smartphone ever by DxOMark. It is better than the Pixel 2, the iPhone X, the Galaxy Note 8, and everybody. Good job Samsung. At the end of the video I will show you the benchmarks and how do they compare against the competition. As you expect, the processor is not as fast as the iPhone X. Nobody can match the iPhone, but it doesn't matter because the iPhone X has only 3 gigas of RAM, so it often has to reload applications. The excellent iPhone processor is not enough to compensate the lack of RAM. I think the Galaxy S9 Plus is a winner. It has a good processor, adequate amount of RAM, the best camera ever, and the best screen ever in a smartphone. The screen is beautiful. It has been rated the best screen ever on a smartphone. Blacks are black, and whites are white. Colors are vibrant and there is no shade of blue on the screen. Hardware feels solid, vibration feedback feels also solid. This is my next smartphone. The iPhone X is nice but iOS is restricted. You depend on iTunes for synchronization. It is even difficult to extract photos from it. Apple doesn't include the fast charger and it doesn't have a fingerprint scanner. The Face ID didn't get very positive long-term reviews, not to mention that Apple may slow down the phone after 1 year. Also it lacks the headphone jack. I don't want to take 2 headphones to the gym. The Bluetooth for my phone and the wired for the TV in the treadmill. The Galaxy S9 has all of this. It cost way less, especially if you trade in a phone. With the extra cash, you could buy a smartwatch. Thank you and don't forget to like,